Swatika, welcome to ThaiChef Food Channel. Today I will show you how to make Thai street food chicken rice, Khao Mun Gai and Khao Mun Gai Thod. One and a half cup jasmine rice, 5 shallot, garlic, ginger, and coriander root until get aroma on medium heat. And add jasmine rice, add sugar, add salt, fry together until rice change color as shown, then add unsalted butter. Add the rice to the rice cooker, then add the chicken and finish cooking in the rice cooker. Prepare 2 bowls, one for the batter and one for dry crispy flour. First step, we mix with batter, and the second step, we mix in dry crispy flour. Fry chicken on medium-low heat until cooked, then turn to medium-high heat before remove. Blend ginger, garlic, coriander leaf, and hot chili together. sugar, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, water, soybean paste. Mix together until sugar dissolves. If you love Thai food and always want to be able to make authentic Thai meal from the comfort of your own kitchen, then welcome to ThaiChef Food Channel. My channel will take you on culinary journeys where I will personally teach you all you need to know to be able to prepare and enjoy authentic Thai cuisine for your family and friends. I hope you have all enjoyed this video, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment so that I can make even better recipe and video for you in future. I'm looking forward to see you in our next episode. ขอบคุณค่ะ